Oh yeah. Hello friends, this is Sunil. I welcome you all to this channel that is Amazing Skills, where we provide the platform for spreading the art of sketching, caricatures. At the same time, we will be providing the platform for brainy games like Rubik's Cube. In my team, right now I am having Master Arpit. Master Arpit, my son, he will be providing some demonstration on how to solve various types of, what is that?
Rubik's Cube.
Rubik's Cube. He is having multiple cubes. In due course, he will be providing the step-by-step procedures to solve this Rubik's Cube. Simultaneously, he is providing me some help in infrastructures, arrangements for making these YouTube videos. So, Arpit, please take your position.
Yes, sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Dear friends, before we start, let me introduce myself again. I am Sunil. I have been practicing the art of caricatures from last 25 years. Previously, when I started, I was a very big zero, like this. This is the zero. I was not having any idea how to draw the cartoons, how to draw these sketches. No technical educations. Some of you may be having some complex that art of sketching or drawing is very tough stuff, very tough business. But I can assure you, only when if you give me to follow 3 simple rules. What are those rules? These 3 simple rules are: rule number 1 is practice. Rule number 2 is practice, again practice, and last and very important rule is practice again and again and again, practice only. So it is the practice which will make you perfect. So it is one assurance I want from you, so that I can start this journey of converting this zero into various types of sketches. Recently I have drawn this sketch. Will you please zoom it so that it will be visible to the audience? Yes. So right now I have just drawn this sketch on this whiteboard just few minutes back. You can see there are various characters and some figures in these caricatures. But this is not the job of only one day. My journey started from this zero. Now I am at this level. And by following that 3 rules, I can assure you, I can guarantee you that we all can transform from this zero to these caricatures. So initially, when I have already mentioned I was a very big zero like this. What I have done with this zero, please make it zoom. Yes. What I have done with this zero, I have made some changes. What are the changes? I have just removed a small part of this zero and converted, and by adding some arcs on both the sides. So now you can realize what is going on. So I have added 2 simple arcs to this zero. It is something like face, human face. Then on the upper side you can add small curves like this. Now it is getting more clear, some face. So with some curves, again I will add 2 more zeros like this. These are the 2 more zeros I have added to this very big zero, and we can convert these zeros into some eyes like this. It is a very easy job. Anybody can do it. Then I can add one curve here. It become nose. Then like this. Now in front of you only, you have seen, you have witnessed. I will add one more curve here. You have witnessed that we have transformed this zero into a small tune. That is a small caricature. We can complete by adding some. It is this shirt we have wear like this. Now this is one simple demonstration how a small zero can be converted into a something meaningful figure. So the objective of this channel, the channel that is Amazing Skills, in which I will be playing the role of tutor for this sketching, that is caricatures. I will be providing some demonstration, step-by-step process to make simple tunes. Then we will go in higher levels, and at some point maximum number of participants will be able to draw this very easily. It is very easy. So first I want to remove the complex from your mind that cartooning or caricature is a very difficult art, very complicated. No, it is very simple if we start from zero. The objective of this Amazing Skills YouTube channel is to spread the art of sketching worldwide, and for that I want your support. Friends, if you like these demonstrations, if you like my videos, tutorials, please give me like, so that I'll be inspired to make more and more videos for you in near futures. I'll get some feedback. At the same time, you are also requested to give suggestions. Your suggestions are very valuable to me to make my journey in a proper way. Because without suggestions, I cannot move. I cannot move one-sided. It is you will direct my way, that is path or journey of making these caricatures more effectively. So if you are new to this channel, I request you to please subscribe and give your valuable suggestions. I will take it. I will try to consider to improve this art of sketching, and will reach you with some more and more videos. Today is 2nd October. 2nd October is the birth date of great personality, great Indian personality. That is, it is the birthday of Sri M.K. Gandhi, Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, can be known as father of nation India. Was well known for his peaceful movements, a very principled person, great personality. I'll just have a little demo how to draw Mr. M.K. Gandhi in a simple way, so that it will one type of respect to this great personality through my sketching. So I will just remove these caricatures and draw a new one. I have rubbed the caricatures and make the space for the great Indian personality, that is Mr. M.K. Gandhi. To draw the Gandhi, again I have to take the help of simple curve like this. Please make it zoom so that it will be visible more prominently. Yeah. So I have made half circle. Then I have added some ears. Correct. See, this is the step by step way, simple ways to draw M.K. Gandhi. Then Mr. Gandhi was a very simple man, simple personality, having a very limited clothes, wearing very limited clothes. This is one stick he was having. He was holding one stick in his hand. Now this become the sketch of Mr. M.K. Gandhi. Okay, so like this there will be multiple demonstration on various international personalities in due course of time. I again request to give me your suggestions, to provide me a proper way to reach you in a simple way, so that everybody participating in these tutorials will be able to draw well in future. So my best wishes for your practices, and thank you friends. We will see you again in due course in the next videos. Thank you very much. Good day.